Kellogg Garden Organics all-natural raised bed and potting mix is 100% organic, specially formulated for raised beds and large containers. It's ready to use right out of the bag. Its organic ingredients, arbor fines and aged wood fines, provide soil structure to your raised beds. Composted poultry manure, feather meal, bat guano, kelp meal, and worm castings provide a short-term nutrient charge to help new plants get started. To use all-natural raised bed and potting mix, simply fill your raised bed with the soil, leaving a few inches from the top, then dig a hole for your plant. At the time of planting, we like to recommend adding some of our organic granular fertilizer to the soil to provide a slow release of nutrients, since these get used up by the plant over time. Reapply every 5 to 6 weeks through the growing season. Then add a bit of water to the plant hole to give the plant a moist growing environment and to help activate the fertilizer. Next, take the plant out, gently loosen its roots, and place the plant in the hole. Gently fill around the plant with soil and gently press down to make sure there are no air pockets. Then water thoroughly. Another important tip is to add some organic liquid fertilizer like our Kellogg Garden Organics Fish and Kelp for quick release nutrients. This also helps minimize transplant shock and will get your plant off to a great start in its new home. We recommend using an organic granular fertilizer every 5 to 6 weeks and supplementing it with an organic liquid fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks with your watering routine throughout the growing season. Use both fertilizers in combination for the best results. The added fertilizers are especially important if you're planting edibles, which can be heavy feeders. Another good tip is to add a layer of mulch to help retain moisture, which means less frequent watering, and it also keeps those pesky weeds from growing.